parked next to so many people that are legitimately staring at me. But today I brought a hard-boiled egg, a turkey stick, the donut, Quest bar, and a wrap, lettuce wrap. I hope this is okay because I made it the other day and I didn't eat it yesterday. So if it's like soggy, I'm not going to eat it. So hopefully it's not. That's it. I will talk to you guys soon. Latest video, and then I got home and then I had a package and my roommate was like, is that my DVDs? And I was like, oh, maybe, because he had joined there's lots of kids everywhere. He had joined Netflix, the DVD stuff. So I thought, well, maybe it is, and I opened it up and look what came out. So there's this super special little note from Ashley over at Ohcrowgal. And it says, just a little package to brighten your day. I know it's been rough with your kids gone, and I thought some makeup and skincare might put a smile on your face. I figure Tiffany can use some of this stuff too. FYI, none of these products have been used. These are all things I have received as gifts or from subscription boxes that I've yet to put on my face. Smiley face. And by the way, your handwriting is so cute. I love it. And then in here, I'm really excited to use this. This is actually, oh, thank you. Dexter, stop. This is actually a eyeshadow palette. Look at these colors. These are pressed pigments. They are beautiful. Right now, that pink is speaking to me. These two, Sunset and Fireworks, I like 24K Magic. Oh my God, good vibe. Oh, these are so pretty. There's a face mask in there. What is this? There is, oop, focus, another face mask. I love face masks. Ooh, I like this one. It has like creams and different steps. Ooh, yes. Yes. All these beautiful creams. I knew them. And then, look at these. I'm excited about this too. This is like an eyeshadow. This is a cream eyeshadow. Look at that color. Look at that color though. That's so pretty. And I love this color, this lipstick. Ooh, that's beautiful. Guess I gotta have my hand behind it, right? That is so pretty. Oh my God. Ooh, this is really like, that's pretty. I need to open this stuff up. This is a black eyeliner. Love eyeliner. This is a really pretty color too. I've used their nail polish before. And then some beautiful, oh, Smashbox. This is so nice of you. And it brought a huge smile to my face. I love it. Thank you. I was just talking to somebody, I think it was yesterday, in the comments of one of my videos, and they were like, you have all the makeup. I'm like, all that makeup is old. I've had it for a long time. And that's what credit cards do to you. And I haven't bought any new makeup in so long. So to get this is so just like fun. And I can't wait to start playing in it. And I appreciate it so much. Thank you so much. I love this. Thank you for thinking of me. So if you can't tell, I've already been playing in makeup. Look at this. I was testing it on my hand, that cream eyeshadow. And ooh, it's so pretty. And I put some on top of my other eyeshadow. And then I put some of the lip gloss on. I love it. The colors may not flow together, but I don't care. I love it. And I'm having fun. But now I need to make myself something to eat. I love it. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And look at that. If you just like put some of that like on your shoulders, you had a tank top on or something, you could use that as a highlighter even. Look at that. That's very sparkly. I am so getting like a head start on the Baconator challenge with Joni. So because I didn't eat the Baconator for breakfast, lunch, I had my cold unwich and an egg and a Quest bar. I decided dinner was going to be my Baconator. So I have 2 strips of bacon, 1 ounce of pickles, teaspoon of sugar-free ketchup, 1 tablespoon of mayo, 1 slice of cheese, and 1 serving of pork rinds, which this is like 14 grams. This is like 17 grams of bacon. It looks delicious. And then I have all the drinks. So I had this leftover Diet Cherry Dr. Pepper that I'm finishing. I made the Davidson's green chai tea, and I put 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream in there, and it's really good. And then I have 2 tablespoons of Sole water with blueberry lemonade, Mio, and some water. So I have all my drinks, and I have my dinner, and I did have a hard-boiled egg as well, because I don't want them to go bad, and I have 1 more, but I'm not eating anything else today. So this is what is for dinner. I'm gonna be full after this. I know I am, because I'm sort of feeling full now. And I already, when I made this one, I made myself one for tomorrow. So that is what I will be eating tomorrow. Hi guys, I am done eating. I am nice and full. Let me pause my show. I'm watching Riverdale. I'm almost done. I am very full. I did a successful, what did I do? From 5 o'clock yesterday until 11:30 a.m. is when I broke my fast, and I finished eating today again at 5 o'clock. So that is the way that works best for me. I sort of strayed from it the last couple of days. I was eating up until about 7 or 8 o'clock, and I wasn't really tracking everything correctly, and I just really wasn't feeling good about myself. Today's macros I will post at the end of this video, and they make me happy. I am full. I don't feel the need to eat anything. I am content. It's just a nice feeling to feel that way and not feel guilty about what I ate. And it's not like I'm not depriving myself in any way. So it's nice to feel like I've done everything right and I'm on the right track. So with that said, I am going to try to eat these Baconators for the next couple of days and just see what happens. I'm really loving this lipstick. It's really cute, and I really like this eyeshadow, and it is really staying on nice. I've never had a cream eyeshadow before, so that's cool. And I wanted to say, I found the perfect thing to use my junk journal that I got from Wendy. So all the letters that I get from you guys, so every like little letter or anytime I got anything from my Amazon wish list or from a company or anything like that, I've saved. I've never thrown them away. I've saved them all, and I just thought that they were something that I wanted to hold on to, because this is a big part of my life now, right? This is a new chapter in my life, and it's something that won't always be around forever, you know. And I would like to, I know I have videos to look back at that, but I would like to have something physical to hold, to look back at and remember. So I think that's a great way to use my junk journal. So with that being said, I finished my tea. I love it. I love it. It is so good. That what was it? The green tea chai. So good. So good. And now I am onto my Sole water, and I'm just going to be watching Riverdale for the rest of the night and probably take Link for a walk in a little while. So that's it, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, I wanted to just include a little snippet of a video that I had taken the other day, and I hadn't included it in anything because I didn't really have a place to add it in, but I tried the Primal Knobs. I only tried one of them, and I tried the mocha, and I don't know. Hey just guys, watch. So I made one of the Primal Knobs mug cakes. This is the mocha. This is 2 grams net carbs. They do use allulose in their recipe. This is a big mug, so this is a little less than halfway full. Although it says to cook it for 1 minute to 1 minute and 30, depending on your microwave, I had to do it for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. for it to get like this. And it's still a little creamy on top. That's okay. I will say it kind of smells weird, and that just might be the mocha smell. I don't know. I'm going to try it. You know what? I don't know. Maybe it's this flavor, but I feel like I'm just like eating coffee, if that makes any sense to you. Not digging the mocha. And I like mocha flavored things, but this just tastes like I'm eating coffee grounds. I'll have to include this video for the TV is so loud. Next time I try the lemon one, I will let you know.